Hey, welcome back to the Jeep Liberty Complete Teardown. Today we're going to remove the brake lights, weather stripping, and the bump stops. For the brake lights, you just have 2 bolts to remove. To remove it, give it a bit of a tug. It's going to sound like when your back kind of cracks. It's okay, you won't break it. Once you've got it off, there's just a pigtail in the back. Just remove the clip. Now this is an enjoyable part of the job. I'm just going to sit back and watch this. Then the bump stop, just 2 bolts on that, and it's off. Be sure to stick around for the rest of the teardown. You never know what we're going to find.